Here is another interesting thing I found with this SDG6022X signal generator. I'm again using two channels. One channel is in sine wave, and it is minus 40 dBm. It is set for a 50 ohm load, and so the purple curve here is like really low in signal, of course, and the other channel is in a square wave, and it is set to 1 volts peak at the moment. And if I crank up the voltage on the square wave channel, note that, see, I just crank it up to like 10 volts just to make this really visible. The purple range here is 5 millivolts. So that means this channel output driver is now missing some voltage because the voltage is dropping because it's loaded by the other channel inside the output stage. Here's a funny thing. If I remove the load in the scope on the square wave signal, put it to 1 mega ohm. So now I'm not drawing current from the square wave output. That means the voltage is not dropping inside the signal generator, and the sine wave is nice and clean. So that is funny, right? So there's a missing decoupling capacitor, or it's not good enough or big enough, or it's not isolated good enough from the other channel. This is something you could easily modify if you need weak signals and high power signals at the same time. And if this is bothering you, that should be easy to improve.